Good morning, guys, and welcome to the weekend vlog. Hello, guys. Okay, so welcome to the weekend. We're gonna be doing a lot today. So first thing on the list is we're gonna be making a dupe for the body sauce, and I cannot wait to show you guys that, and I hope it works. Then we're gonna be getting glam and taking some photos. Then after that, we're gonna go to my parents' house. We're gonna wash our clothes, cause you know, girl, we need to be fresh. Wash clothes, and I think that's it. Oh, also I need to read the Bible. I need to read. There's a portion I'm just finishing up, and I'm gonna edit and stuff. And yeah, those are my plans for today. So come with me, come right along. We're going to take these glasses off and this hair bonnet off. We're gonna look nice and clean and fresh. Anyways, okay, so come right along. First step is shower and look better than this, okay? So see you soon. I'm gonna put some of my Camille Rose Honey Hydrate on there because I just like the smell. And I like the way it leaves my hair feeling. So I'm gonna put that from top to bottom. And for me, it's important for my hair to like look good, smell good, because overall it just improves my mood. If I'm walking around at my job and I'm just smelling like delicious and my hair looks good, when I look in the mirror, like it's just an overall mood booster. So the ends are gonna look much better after we dip them. We're just gonna do a quick dip because just to smooth it out just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a water body. I have never really used this before, but I heard it works really well to just like flatten everything down. It is a tiny bit flatter. I'm gonna use some of the Eco Solid Gel on top. Maybe that'll make a difference. I don't know. Okay, so that actually looks better, I think. I mean, I'm taking pictures, but after that, I'm just gonna go home and wash my clothes. So I'm not gonna put too much effort into these particular edges. I remember when I was not working, I would spend so much time doing my edges, and people would be asking me to do a edge tutorial, stuff like that. I don't even really remember how I would do it. Like the edges I do now are a little bit like more simple than the ones I used to do. But I think that's normal. Okay, so time to lay the hair down. Edges are covered for the most part. I still have to put my makeup on, so I have to take that into account. I'm kind of sifting it around. This is the before. So this is how they're looking beforehand. And this is how they're looking after. I'm pretty sure I put too much. Because what? What the heck? What the heck, girl? I'm gonna be looking like a Oompa Loompa. So this is how it's looking so far.
Hi, Ndidi.
Hi, Mommy.
How are you?
Fine.
You know, are you going to attach here?
But I guess I'll stop by. I don't know.
She said she told everybody. She just, I think I saw it in WhatsApp or something. She has your old number.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah. Because she told me, she told you, she told Nyanya, she told Nonso and everybody. And then, Lanya, Chidera keep saying, Aunties, we're waiting for you guys. We're waiting for everybody. I I'll try and come.
Yeah, I'll stop by when I'm done.
Yeah. What are you doing?
My makeup? Making a video?
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna put my lashes on. You see it?
I don't know how to put the lashes on.
And then put it on.
I was seeing if I think I have some lashes from
Yeah, you have a lot. Don't act like you don't have any. Yeah, it's been a really long time.
They said, oh, we're waiting. I said we'll get to see them.
And eat some cake. Almost done, and I'll be ready to go.
Okay. I don't have to put any.
Well, you know I'm taking photos. That's why.
Oh, yeah. It's good. You always take pictures all the time. That's good.
Weekend pictures.
Okay.
What time? What time are you going?
Right now, as soon as I finish this, I'm gonna go and put something on. I don't need to dress up a lot.
You already have a full like velour suit on.
I'm just wearing this with stuff.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm almost ready.
Okay. I'll show you.
This is how I put on the lash. I just take it
I don't know how to put.
and I put it on my eye. That's it.
I don't know how to do that.
You just put it on.
That's the last thing in my mind right now. If I do, however I look, I'm just gonna go like that. It's like
That's it.
just life. Okay, I'll see you.
Okay, so we're gonna be making a dupe for the Fenty Beauty body sauce. So here I have the Hawaiian Tropic, coconut oil, dark tanning oil. I have the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and I feel like I want to do this because I don't really use Trophy Wife like that, like every day, and it's pretty much full. I'll show you. And then I have my Fenty Beauty in 420, and then I have a darker shade of MAC, and I'm gonna mix these things together and create my own body sauce because I need to be looking glowing today. Okay, so let's see if it turns out good, if it turns out like how, you know, the real body sauce looks. All right, so let's do it. Let me add 2 teaspoons of the oil first. It's like 2.5 because I added some in the beginning. Okay, now I'm gonna add a couple of pumps of the foundation. 2, 3, 4. So I'm adding my Trophy Wife. I'm just gonna put it out. Ooh. Another scoop. We'll be mixing it up. Oh, it pretty much looks like the body sauce. If you guys can you guys see that? It pretty much looks like body sauce. For the dark skin girl. This is for the low. This is with stuff that, you know, I already had. Okay, so this is how it turned out. It's all mixed together. Oh my gosh. It just looks so luxurious. And we literally just made this right now with, it looks so glamorous. We literally just made this right now with our Trophy Wife consistency. And I have a like scar on my arm. Let's see if it can cover that up. So this is it on my arms. Is it providing the same kind of glow that the real one does? I don't know. It's definitely making my skin not dull again. My skin is not dull at all. Of course, if their formula or if the Fenty formula is like transfer proof, this, if you decide to do this yourself, it's probably not going to be transfer proof, so just watch out. And that is how you make your own body sauce. Okay, I'm glowing. I made my body sauce. It is very effective, but I will say it's not non-transferable. So if you want to wear it, wear your outfit first and then make your little body sauce, put it on yourself, and then just go about your business. So what I'm about to do now, I am going to put on a dress because it's my aunt's birthday. My room is a mess, but it's okay. So I'm gonna stop by the 40th birthday party, change it to something more different. I just did my photo shoot with this outfit. It is from one of those stores in the mall where I got it for one of my friend's birthday parties like a year or 2 years ago. I love how it fits on me, and I love that I can fit it now and it looks good and I don't have to do too much. Okay, so have the body glow on. What am I saying body glow? Body sauce. The fake Dupe body sauce. Gonna put my outfit on. Then after I go to my aunt's birthday party, I'm gonna wash my clothes, and then I'll be done for the day as far as what I wanted to accomplish today. So I've done everything I wanted to accomplish. Just time to get on the road and head to my aunt's birthday. All right. I don't know if I should sign out now or like, you're gonna see the pictures on my gram of me and my outfit, and hopefully this video will be up by this week. And yeah, it's Sunday, so wishing you a blessed week ahead. No stress, no drama. If there's stress and drama, just take it as it is and put it behind you. Don't hold on to it. And I hope God blesses your week ahead. And that is that on that. Happy new week. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Ndidi. I make videos for YouTube, and I'm so glad that you're here. Please subscribe all day. Okay, bye. Love you.